With 2023 being celebrated as the International Year of Millets, Indian parliamentarians will soon be given healthy choices in the canteen with new millet dishes added to Parliament House menu, alongside traditional biryani and cutlets according to a report by the Indian Express. India's Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has anyway been promoting millets as a healthy version during the G20 summit events. Talking of the additions to the Parliament menu, the new dishes include bajre ki raab, ragi dosa, ragi ghee roast, ragi thatte idli, and jowar vegetable upma as starter. In the main course, the visitors can relish upon sarson ka saag with bajra or jowar ki roti, ragi puri, mixed millet khichdi, and bajra khichdi with garlic chutney. In sweets, it will be kesari kheer, ragi walnut laddu, and bajre ka churma. But is millet such an important food grain that even PM Modi endorses it? Watch further to know. Millet is an ancient superfood that has started garnering interest in recent times. Millet has been grown in the Indian subcontinent for 5,000 years, and there are approximately 6,000 varieties of millet available around the world. They are a rich source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, calcium, and iron. Pearl millet or bajra, sorghum millet or jowar, finger millet or ragi, buckwheat millet or kuttu, foxtail millet or kakum and kangni, and amaranth are some common millets consumed in Indian households. Millets have many health benefits and can be inculcated in your diet in many ways. According to experts, diabetes patients can benefit a lot from millets as they are rich in fiber and non-starchy polysaccharides, which are two types of undigestible carbs that help control blood sugar levels. Millets also have low glycemic index, which makes them an ideal grain for diabetics. And if you have gut issues, then millet can definitely help you ease them. Since it's rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, it helps to support the good bacteria in your digestive system. So yes, you can increase your fiber consumption to fight gut issues by simply eating more of this goodness. Also, do you know it's good for your heart too? Millet is a rich source of magnesium, which is an important mineral that helps to reduce blood pressure levels, which can decrease the risk of heart attacks and strokes. And those of you who are struggling to lose weight, look no further. Millets are low in calories, which makes them an ideal food for weight loss while feeling full. Millet chapati, millet dosa, millet porridge, and idli are some easy ways to add them to your diet. This is primarily the reason it was included in the Indian Parliament menu. Its connection with Indian subcontinent is an added benefit. We suggest you also add millets to your daily diet and let us know if they prove to be any good use to the gut. Do let us know how you like this video and do subscribe to Shosha for more such content.